Understanding Underpaid, a guide to work and wages in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, especially for those of you interested in work and employment-related vocabulary in English. We're going to explore the term underpaid. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means, how to use it, and why it's important to know. So, let's dive right in. Underpaid is a compound adjective made up of two parts, under and paid. The prefix under generally means below, beneath, or less than. On the other hand, paid is the past participle form of the verb pay, which means to give someone money for services or work done. When combined, underpaid describes a situation where someone is receiving less money than they should for their work or services. You can use underpaid in various contexts related to work and employment. Here are some examples. 1. Salary and wages. I love my job, but I feel underpaid. In this sentence, the speaker enjoys their work but believes they are not receiving enough money for their efforts. 2. Comparing jobs. Teachers are often underpaid compared to other professions. Here, the speaker is highlighting how the salary of teachers is lower when compared to other jobs. 3. Acknowledging workload. With all the extra hours she puts in, she's really underpaid. This sentence implies that the amount of work the person is doing is not adequately compensated by their salary. Being underpaid can have significant effects on an individual's life and well-being. It can lead to 1. Financial stress, constant worry about making ends meet. 2. Low morale and motivation. Feeling undervalued can decrease a person's motivation at work. 3. Job dissatisfaction. A prolonged state of feeling underpaid may result in dissatisfaction and the desire to change jobs. Understanding the term underpaid and being able to express these feelings and situations in English is crucial, especially for those working in English-speaking environments. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be underpaid and how you can use this term in different contexts. Remember, being able to articulate your feelings about your work and salary is important, and understanding terms like underpaid is a crucial part of that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video, and keep learning.